morning everyone, welcome back. And this is my Jamaican pumpkin producing of a baby pumpkin on it, and you can see the bee is busy around pollinating it. There's baby one there as well. So what happened, they go around and collect pollen from the male one and come and pollinate the female pumpkin. This is one of the male one. You can tell the difference by underneath there's no fruit underneath. So this is the male. So the bee come and collect from this one and bring it to the female. Now as you can see, come all the way down here, and we got another baby pumpkin right there. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.